Welcome to Scholars Tutorial, where every concept is simplified for smarter practice. Here's today's question. A 3D stack of cube is shown with an arrow pointing forward, meaning we are viewing it from the front side. The option represents how the cube looks from the front view. Let's find one that matches the 3D structure. The correct answer is option A. When we view the figure from the front, we can only see the cubes forming the visible height in each column. In option A, the height pattern matches perfectly. A central stack of 3 cubes with lower column on either side. Exactly the front view shows. The other option don't align correctly. Option B, extra cube is visible on the right side, which does not exist. Option C, represents view from the top. Option D, stack is added at the top, which does not exist. Option E, extra cube is added in the top row, which does not exist. Option A shows the correct view in the direction of the arrow. With Scholars Tutorial, visual reasoning becomes simple. Keep practicing and master every cube question with confidence. Ace your academics with Shruti.ai. It's free.